I want to share with you how you can quickly and effectively get leads and bring people into your business. If you don't know what, then click the link below. Marketing training system. I'd have to say it is a must-have for anyone that is a marketer that is looking for more leads and those new are struggling to make money online. A must-have. And the best part, you get the full system along with training. Okay, tip number one, you want to have consistent, focused energy. Consistent, focused energy. Number two, you want to focus on getting leads, and you want at least one person to join you within a month. That's easy to do. Go ahead and clear up at least an hour a day to focus on getting leads. That's how you're getting paid. You don't want to just start doing something on the internet and not be focused and don't have your Facebook open and just continually chatting in Facebook while you're trying to do something. Focus on one thing at a time. Okay, ways in which you can get leads. Share your opportunity on sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc., etc. These are great sites to share on. Another type of site which I've got a lot of leads from, and I've had people join me from, are social blogging sites, because most have never made money online, so this they will love. Okay, another type of site is just your typical ad sites. It's like a Craigslist. So Craigslist is good. What you'll want to do, just come up with a bunch of different ads, like stop wasting your precious time earning piddly commission checks, start earning 100% commission with 3 easy steps. Contact me with your name and number and I will reveal how. And that's something you just post, and then the people who are interested would reply back, and you would want to give them your capture page. Give to anybody that you want to receive their email address and their contact information. Now the sales page, that's to show anybody the video, and the join page is of course to get them to join. So the two important ones is the capture and the join page. Capture them, and then join. Okay, and so what you want to do, if you're in a social networking site, start a conversation. Okay, don't just come out right off the bat, say, hey, join me. You start a conversation, be genuine, hold an interest in them, find out how it could benefit them, and then share with them how most people find value in it and will join. I hope this helped you.